Student, how are you today? I'm going to discuss health is wealth. How health is wealth is most important. Now I'm going to discuss with the help of some examples and some with the help of your chapter. Okay, this is chapter 8. This is chapter 8 of your books. This is the most important chapter of your books. It will definitely come in your examinations. Okay, page number 30, 31, then 32. I'm going to discuss it. Try to understand this chapter, then you can do it very well in your examination. We know very well for alternative questions will be asked in the examinations. You will just tick in the tick mark. Okay, try to understand the concept. Health is wealth. Why health is wealth? You can see health is wealth. This is picture. Okay, health is wealth. Okay, now I'm going to discuss with the help of examples. You can change your mobile with portrait mode, then you can do it. Try to understand it. Health is wealth. Health is each and everything. Okay, healthy living, if your health is good, then you can do each and every work in a good way. If your health is bad, then you cannot take more interest in any work. Okay, the health is most important part, most important things of your body. Many people think that happiness consists in having plenty of money. Money is, of course, a necessity, but health is comes first. We know very well money is everything, but health is also everything. If you have too much money, but you are suffering from high fever and you are unable to work on your food, then what will you do of your money? Nothing. So money is definitely each and everything, but health is also. A sound body is of the greatest importance. Keep your body clean, wash it every day, and brush up your teeth properly on getting up, and before going to bed, wash your hands before eating. Keep your nails healthy to cut, nitty cut. Don't pick your nose with your fingers, and don't put your fingers in your mouth. Dirt, dirt of any kinds dangerous. It carries germs that cause diseases. Wear clean clothes, eat clean fresh and ultimate food. People who eat exposed food and cut fruit in the market can become victims of jaundice, um, dysentery, typhoid, and cholera, etc. So what is this? This is the steps you will have to follow in your life. Okay, these are the steps. Wash it every day, wash it every day, brush your mouth, and put your don't put your finger in your mouth. This is the good habits. Okay, so you will have to follow in your life. These are the steps to follow it. Whenever you are seeing that foods are sold in the market, then don't purchase it, because cut foods are cut foods in the market can become victims of jaundice, etc. You will face lots of problem while eating it, because mosquitoes, etc., each and everything uh, sits on the cut foods. Okay, so these are the steps you will have to remember it. Okay, try to now I'm going to discuss another para. Let your diet be simple and moderate. Simple living and high thinking. Okay, don't eat too much. Okay, don't smoke. It is a bad habit. We know very well smoking is dangerous. Okay, smoking cause cancers. So don't smoke. Don't eat too much food. Okay, do exercise daily. Whenever you will do exercise daily, then you will be fit and fine. Make it a routine. Walk. Whenever you will do anything, then you will have to make a routine. Either you are walking, either you are learning either you are studying each, or doing any work. It will necessary the circulations of your blood. Whenever you will do anything, then your blood will circulate. It will make your breath deeply and properly. Okay, you will grow healthier, stronger, happier. Okay, people often are very enthusiastic for the first few days of their exercise program, then they slow drops out. You need patience and perseverance to continue with the exercise. Be a master of your body. Be a master of your body. It means what? And not its slave. Control bad habits, desires, laziness, angers, every and fashion should be driven away. It means what? These are the good habits. You will have to follow the good habits in your life. You will make a daily chart. You will make a routine for being smart, for being fit. Okay, you will have to be a master of your body, not slave. Whenever you will follow these steps, then you can control, you can you can control bad desires, laziness, etc. Okay, now I'm going to discuss next page. That one's in the next page. In page number, I think you can see it very well. We know very well there are two games: indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games and outdoor games. The outdoor games like cricket, football, hopping and skipping gives you a fine exercise. Okay, gives you a fine exercise. Rest when you tired. Health experts says that the more our body struggles against obstacles and difficulties, the healthier and stronger it will become. If a healthy man confines himself to bed, he will grow weaker and weaker and die. We know very well there are two games: outdoor and indoor. Outdoor and indoor game. Okay, outdoor game is healthier game, and indoor game is not more healthier. It is also game, but whenever you will play outdoor game, then it will be better for you. Cricket, football, etc. These are the outdoor game. Indoor game, you know very well what is indoor game. Okay, so whenever you are sick, visit a doctor and follow his instruction. Take your medicine regularly. Take care of your health. A friend of our was recently advised to take better care of your teeth if he was to avoid serious trouble in the future. For several weeks, he followed the dentist's instruction regularly. Then, as usual, he became careless. The dentist advice seemed to be a forgotten in love. It means what? Whenever you are sick and feeling unwell, then you must visit doctor. And if you are visiting doctor, then you will have to follow the instruction of the doctor. You will have to take the medicine. Okay. And friends of ours recently advised to take better care of the teeth. So these are the main habits. At the next annual checkup, the X-ray report revealed the natural consequence of his negligence. His teeth were in worse shape than even before. You have no one but yourself to blame. The dentist caused. Proper tooth care can add 10 years to anyone's life, and improve care can shorten it to the same extent. Well, it means what? Whenever you will take care of your body, okay, then your body will also see you. Okay, so it is necessary for all of us to keep the body healthy and active. Okay, you will have to keep it, our body, healthy and attractive. If you are healthy and attractive, then you can do more work. If you are not healthy, wealthy and wise, then you cannot do more work. Okay, whenever you will do work, then you will slow. Okay, or you will feel tired. God has given us enough for our needs. It is our responsibility and duty to link after ourselves, but it is far more important to give a beauty treatment to our souls, which will last forever. It means God has given us each and everything. We will have to keep it. in a good way. As a 40 years old pianist gave her first point of blood for wounded, wounded soldiers in 1940. In which years? 40 years pianist gave. For whom? Soldiers. In which date? 1940. Since then, she has given 6 times to the total amount of blood in her body to various causes. The other day, she made her 75th contribution. It was the extraordinary work of him. It was the extraordinary work of a 40 years old pianist. Okay, it is difficult for most of us to realize that those who share their wealth or happiness with the other never run short of it themselves. As they give, so they get. It is, we know very well, it is very difficult to do it in spite of we share wealth or happiness. The more love and peace you bring into the life of others, the more love and peace you bring into the lives of others, we know very well, the more you bring into your own. It is always impressive to see what sacrifice devoted doctor will make to save a life. Okay, whenever we feel difficult in our life, then we directly go to the doctor for the treatment and we make to save a life. In barely a 19 years old girl was brought to the mission hospital. In which hospital? Mission hospital. So what was the age? 9 years old girl. Okay, in which hospital? Mission hospital. She had been born up with a malignant growth into both her eyes. What was the problem? Malignant growth. The kind doctor announced that she must lose her left eyes by operation and needed to get immediate X-ray treatment for the right eyes. Okay, it was the treatment was given by the doctor. An examination disclosed that both growth were in a far advanced stage, but the doctor hoped that the growth in the right eye could be arrested and some useful vision could be obtained. It was the treatment of the doctor. It was the prescription. It was the advice of the doctor. Okay, it was given by the doctor with sincere prayers and dedication. The doctor performed the operation and succeeded in his task. God, who feeds the birds of their air and clothes the flowers of the field, listen to us when we call upon Him with hope and faith. He has blessed us with a strong body. We must keep it healthy and glowing. It was what God has given a beautiful body to us. We will have to keep it healthier, wealthier, and wise. God has given a beautiful body. Health is wealth. Beautiful body has given to us God. We will have to keep it. We will have to follow the routine and we will have to maintain it. Okay, we will have to maintain it. When we call upon Him with the hope and faith, He has blessed us with a strong body. We must keep it. We must keep it, our body, healthy and glowing. So in this chapter, I have discussed these things, important things. Don't forget to share and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching this video.